What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. As you can see today, it's a little bit different. I'm vlogging on my Gopro Hero 7 and we're going to be heading out to Mount Rainier, Tipso Lake to be exact, but hope you guys enjoy this vlog. However, it's not only going to be about Tipso Lake, probably going to head out to Seattle tomorrow to shoot some film photography. Yep, you heard it right, film photography, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so we're in Tipso Lake right now. That's little Tipso over here, as you guys can see, hopefully, while I'm recording this, but it's pretty amazing. There's all these wildflowers right here. Right now I'm using my 24-70. Right now I'm just focusing on this one. Right now I'm shooting at f/14, 3/20th exposure, ISO 160th, so I can get that burst. Let me know if you guys like this voiceover that I'm showing you guys. This looks pretty cool right here. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below if you like this voiceover here, especially when walking towards epic views or epic hikes. I'll probably shoot this later on again when the sun goes a little lower, but it might be a nice sunset only because there's a couple clouds up there. The other day I was here with Rainier Photography and it wasn't the best of luck, but yeah, let's see what we can get today. Kind of see a composition right here, maybe hopefully get us burst. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get that burst here. This is gonna look sick. Oh man. Wow, this looks really nice. I forgot to put on my hiking shoes, but I'm wearing some shoes that I don't really care for. I feel like my socks are gonna get soaked right now. Yeah, this is really nice. I hope these shots come out nice, especially for mid-golden hour. Got this over here. I think I was wrong about being a lot of photographers here. I'm surprised. Alright guys, so back to the EOS R vlogging. As you can see, I finally got my haircut. Big relief. I know that long hair was getting annoying in my eyes here and there, and it was sometimes really hard to shoot, especially when looking at the electronic viewfinder. But anyways, right now, I don't have my car right now, it's in service, so I can't really go anywhere to go and film and shoot stuff. I'm trying to do this little video where, showing you guys photography spots in Tacoma and photography spots in Seattle, but hopefully I can start that soon. Today, I'm looking forward to maybe shoot the moon rising from Mount Rainier, but the only problem is that sunset is at 8:40 and the moon won't rise until probably like 10-12, which will probably be too late. It's gonna be like really pitch dark, especially overexposing the moon. But I can always use a tripod to expose the city and expose the moon, but we'll see later. The other thing is that I might go shoot film tonight with one of my buddies that's really into film. He's gonna teach me here and there, because I was thinking, I might as well get into film. It's something everybody has to do. I think every photographer has to do, honestly. It probably helps you in your composition, take your time, find the right light and whatnot. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this vlog. Another side note, I went to Seattle last night, which I didn't vlog only because I was in a hurry to capture the moon rising on the Seattle cityscape. Here's the photos right now. So as you can see, those photos turned out pretty nice. I tried to make it, as cinematic as possible. But I took several shots here and there, used my tripod to expose for the moon, expose for the city, and I think they came out pretty well. Alright guys, so last night I met up with this other photographer. His name was Jonah, and he told me about this application called the Photographer's Ephemeris, which is pretty cool. It actually allows you to locate where the sun and moon is going to rise and set, and also lets you see like the Milky Way and whatnot. But I did download it. Do note it is $10, but however, it's pretty amazing. It shows you like where you're gonna shoot sunset or sunrise, moonrise, moonset. Gives you exact time and whatnot. From what he told me, it's pretty accurate. I know there's other applications there. I forgot the other name, but anyways, I'm gonna be using this app more. I did download it last night after I came back from the moonrise, but hopefully it can help me out in the future. Alright guys, so we're gonna be heading out to Ruston Way. I'm not gonna be shooting film photography just yet. I'm gonna wait until I go with my friend out so I can learn a few things from him. But yeah, we're gonna go try to catch the moonrise one more time, even though it's gonna be late, probably around 10:30ish. The sun would have set by then, but yeah, let's see what we can catch. Hopefully do long exposures and capture some cool shots of Mount Rainier and the moon. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, but before we do, I just want to say I got a couple great pictures last night with Rainier photography. It came out pretty cool, as you can see over here. But anyways, also I wanted to mention, I'm kind of glad that I went to go capture the full moon, only because I have this thing, the fear of missing out, and if I don't go capture photos like this, I'm gonna regret it and whatnot. that also includes like street photo walks or, you know, photography meetings up in Seattle and Tacoma. You know, if I'm not part of it, it just kind of sucks. I mean, for me, it's just, you know, I love seeing people have fun, but if I don't go to these things, then, you know, I'm just like, oh crap, should have gone. I could have been met other photographers or creatives, videographers and all what. But yeah, I just want to get that cleared out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram at R4S. So peace out.